This is the STYLPRO microcurrent toning device. Face mode is optimized for the face and neck, while body mode is optimized for larger areas with stronger intensity. Both modes use microcurrent to help the appearance of muscles and nanocurrent to support the skin's surface. Start with clean, dry skin. Apply a serum. This is essential for conductivity. The skin must remain slightly damp. Press and hold the power button to turn on. Press and hold again to go between face and body mode. Short press to cycle through intensity levels 1, 2, and 3. Now place both metal spheres flat against the skin. Glide slowly across the skin, do not lift between movements. On the face, go from chin to cheek, cheek to temple, brows to hairline, and the neck up. On the body, always move upwards, wrists to elbows, knees to thighs, hips to waist. You may feel tingling or muscle twitching. This is normal. If uncomfortable, reduce the intensity. Press and hold to turn off. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. You can now recharge your device using the included USB-C mains charger.